Hi, my dear students and parents. This is a very interesting video which everyone who are aspiring for MBBS in Russia, especially, should watch this. So, uh, intro I'm from Bookma University. We do MBBS admissions for abroad, and also we do support students for admissions in India for all the counseling procedures. We are located in two places in India. We have our office in Bangalore and as well as in Hyderabad. So this video will help you, the students who are planning for Russia for MBBS. So this month, in the month of April, we had a India and Russian meet in the Delhi, where we had a lot of delegates and many delegates came to India from different universities. Almost there are around 20 teams who are part of this particular Simit, and also we have a very special guest from the NMC, this National Medical Council, Mr. Dr. Srinivasan. Okay, there is a wonderful and wonderful message which really helps a clarity to all the students who want to pursue their MBBS in Russia, given in the open statements by Mr. Srinivasan. He's currently NMC secretary in India. Okay, so which will definitely give the encouragement on, all the parents and students. I mean, definitely they can go to Russia without any worries, without any I mean, thinking that the degree is valid, invalid, because of many new rules has been given by the National Medical Council, which we have discussed in our previous video, where this, because I just created a video, you can still watch that video, and in that video also I told the same thing, and this is the evidence again. Once again, there's a Mr. Srinivasan has given the big forum that how India and Russia are together working to encourage MBBS, and MBBS degree which is done from the Russia is a valid given by the state. So let's watch that particular video so that people will have a confident what we are saying. Okay, because we told very clearly about the NMC rules and regulations, and how Indian embassy's page of Russia also given that all the Russian universities follows the guidelines where students after completion of their MBA they can come back India.
The delegates
So
here.
if you see this video, right?
Yes, please. I am Dr. Srinivas. I am Secretary National Medical Council Commission, and I represent the apex body for the medical education regulation for the whole country. And as you know that our country, many of the doctors who are here, the wannabe doctors are medical students. One of the most important destination happens to be Russia. Recently was also Ukraine, but since Ukraine issue has come, most of the doctors are going, the students are going to Russia. And we as an apex regulator want to maintain the quality of medical education that is there in our country. And right now, India is the largest producer of the doctors in the whole world. We have approximately 110,000 medical students, MBBS students that are being produced every year. We have 700 medical colleges. And the main job of the National Medical Commission, which was earlier known as Medical Council of India, is to see to it that the quality of education that is being given to the students is top notch. The doctors that are coming out are well trained so that they'll be able to take care of the patients. And of course, Russia has a very good medical system, and if we have a good relationship with the medical systems of Russia, and we have a good understanding, MOU kind of agreements with the Russian universities, I think there'll be easier approachability for our students to go to Russia, and the Russian students also to come here and study in India. India leads in medical education, also in hospitals. We have large medical tourism that is going on in the country. And we give a very affordable kind of a medical treatment in our country. Many patients across the world, they come to us for the treatment, and India can become an apex export house for the candidates, for the students who are abroad. So this is we have in the NMC 4 boards that is there. In the 4 boards we have a PG board, a PG board, MARB, which does the assessments part, and all the boards can sit together. And in fact, tomorrow I think the ministers, honorable ministers, coming to visit the NMC to show the NMC how the functioning takes place, how the students get into the system. We have an examination called NEET, which is mandatory for any student to become a doctor. Then we're planning to have a next exam. That is, it's like a licensing exam which we plan to start next year. So if in this kind of an examination pattern and the curriculums are matching with the Russian curriculum regulators as well, then it'll be easier for us to have easy access to the students. Now the main problem that the students right now are facing is that the students going there, studying there, when they come back, they are not able to clear that FMG exam. That is one of the main concerns that is there, and we would like to see how that can be, the results can be. I think one of the reasons why the FMG exams results are slightly poor is because the language of education maybe is slightly different. They are not able to cope up when they come here. We want to ensure that if the curriculum is something that is matching with that of the MBBS students that we are teaching here in India, if that matches with them, then I think the quality of education can improve, and the students who are passing over studying in Russia, they can easily pass the FMG exam and they can practice here in India. So we are having high hopes because Russia is one of the leading expertise for the medical field, and it will be a win-win situation for both the Indian students as well as the Russia that we have input tie-up. Also in the new education policy that the Honorable Prime Minister got in recently, you can also open up franchises or medical colleges in India, and already we had 3 or 4 representations from one from Philippines, from US was also come, and one from UK. They want to open up a medical college in India, and they are exploring how that can be, the campus can be built in India, and then the students can go back to their own parent countries, because we have a very good medical education system, and Russia also has a very good medical education system. And keeping in view of that, we have a very good friendship treaties between Russia and India for a long period of time. I think it is high time that we can make this into a reality and make it some kind of an agreement so that movement of the candidates and the doctors takes place in a profitable manner. This I can from my speech. Thank you so much.
So sharing this
You can see the
upstairs. So
okay, you can see the message given by Mr. Srinivasan. It's really excellent. Okay, so he was clearly mentioning this couple of things where the education system from both the countries are excellent, and there also he was giving a message that there's a bilateral relationship between India and Russia where Indian students can go and study and Russian students come and study in India. So that's where the mutual agreements has already happened. So and he was mentioning all the rules and regulations defined by the NMC are fulfilled by the Russian medical universities, and there was only one concern he was mentioning where the students who came back from the Russia, they're not able to clear the FMG or next exam in a single attempt, where he is trying to focus and guide all the universities in Russia so that the students can also get the top-notch coaching or some kind of a training within their curriculum where the students can come back India and clear the next exam. So this is a very clear message from the Mr. Srinivasan from the NMC, and this gives a boost for all of them to go and get the MBBS seat in Russia. So coming to our organization, we are from Bookma University, and we are directly working with 10 different universities in Russia. So we are the direct university representatives for India, and we provide end-to-end services, right? From the day one of giving the proper guidance, proper counseling, and taking care of all the documentation, visa process, the admission process, okay, the flight ticket, the travel arrangements, and once students land there, the medical insurance, health insurance, okay? So end to end, and we support them for the 6 years, and also including the career growth of the students, where the students want to look for options after the MBBS if they want to if they want to get the NMC, the next exam coaching, or they want to plan for USMLE, P-Lab, or they want to get into German. So if they want to do PG in any other country, we are there. We support them from the applying to all these institutions, and also getting the top-notch coaching from India, from the different institutions who are doing the training. So we directly tie up and we provide a bridge between these institutions and our students to get all the trainings what they're looking. And we also giving the very good fee structure, right? You can definitely compare this fee structure with any consultancies in Hyderabad or Bangalore. Okay, we give including all the things. We don't confuse the parents, we don't confuse the students. That what all are included in single package. Okay, you need not to pay single rupee extra what we told at initial times, which includes all these things. So please choose best consultant, please choose best services what you want, because you are not for a month getting admission and going. No, you need a proper support for 6 years. After 6 years, if you want to do your PG program, or you want to come back to India for the next exam and settle here, so end-to-end support will be given to you, to all our students, including the good. There is nothing like we give the price, whatever the price is included with all these things, and there is nothing to be extra to be paid. So please visit our offices before you make any decision for your MBBS abroad, and then you take the decision. Okay, you go around the consultancies and other things, and please come back and please visit with us and take all the information and all the fee structures, everything, then make a decision. Thank you so much, and please subscribe my channel. Definitely you'll get every day, you'll get good videos, good knowledge on MBBS in abroad. And also we are starting a different channel where for students who want to get admission in India, for the application process and which college you need to which college you need to apply, what is the NEET score, right? They call it the NEET score, which college will be eligible. So all the counseling support will be given in the free of cost. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day.